Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So the market is really slow. We did go a little lower here overnight or yesterday. That was so far anticipated because the idea was that we're following through now with this third wave to the downside. I'm counting this currently as an ending diagonal to the downside here of this November high as a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. We could now be in that third wave. There will be a fourth and a fifth. I wouldn't be surprised if this changes. Again, this is a challenging structure, but at the moment it works well. And again, because they move down as a diagonal, I'm counting the third wave also as a corrective structure. And yeah, it looks to me as if we're doing currently this ABC structure. We're now in the C wave itself ending diagonal and has already done the 1, the 2, in this third wave, it's done the A wave, the B wave, and it's now working on the C wave. Other interpretations are possible. This is quite a complex structure. However, it sort of works at the moment. The idea was that we get to that trend line here. Yeah, and I think we will get there. We're already close. And this should lead to a little bit of a bounce at least, or reaction. Of course, a direct breakthrough would be very bearish and would most likely quite quickly send us into this sort of support area here between 5 cents and basically 2 cents. Now, I'm not suggesting we will go down to 2 cents, but I would like to see at least the 5 cent level. That would be really good. But with Doge, you don't know, because it just needs a bit of tweet something and then suddenly it turns around. There are certainly sometimes other factors at play. Nevertheless, the idea is that it sells off further and we are focused on the downside further until we see a first relevant impulse. This wave count here is valid as long as we're holding below 8.37 cents. And I mean, you can for example try to add a trend channel here or just a trend line here to the chart, and I think it is following it quite nicely at the moment. And as long as you are in the channel here, price is just going to be guided by the channel upper and lower boundary lines. And bear in mind, very shortly we're going to hit this ascending trend line, which is quite an obvious one. It will be interesting to see if it's going to provide support. But yeah, it's not a structure where you can say with a high likelihood that we have already seen the bear market low. Here at the moment another low would be expected, and so far very slow and choppy movement. I hope really that we're going to see some movement here shortly, not only on the Dogecoin chart, but more generally across crypto, because it is getting quite boring. I'm always telling you the same stuff. I mean, on the one hand, that is good because these scenarios are working out. We haven't seen any kind of reversal yet on any crypto chart and nothing that can be confirmed. So the focus needs to be on the downside in the short term. Okay, that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.